Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the alternator on a Ford Edge. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts during the repair. Next, gather your tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various wrenches, and a ratchet. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin, as hot engine components can cause burns. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, you'll need to disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. There are usually 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place, so take your time. With the old one out, it's time for the new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into its mounting brackets. Insert and tighten all the mounting bolts, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Reconnect all the electrical wires, making sure each connection is secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, following the correct diagram for your Ford Edge. Almost done. Once the belt is back on, use your tensioner tool to ensure it has the correct tension. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Start the engine and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. A healthy charging system should show around 5 to 5 volts. Listen for any unusual sounds and confirm the belt is running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.